Hi dear Taurus, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a reading. For the first time I'm trying my best to do that, okay? Obviously I will do that, yeah. So this is a reading for career, health, finances and love and relationship. So I will do the love and relationship reading separately as well. So it is the overall energy that you are going to carry in September. So I will start with the career thing. So this is a reading for September, okay? Cool, I told you. And the roles can be reversed and all that is not valid here. So yeah, it is the energy for you guys for Taurus. Let's see. Give me a second. Taurus. Yes. So let's see, Taurus, what's your career is going to be. How's your career going to be in September? Let's see. Taurus. Okay. If you are in business, you are going to make good money. So Taurus, if you are doing some kind of business or you are investing in something, or it's like you are going to make money by your own hard work, okay? And it's good money, it's fucking good money, it's looking really good. So if you're getting this card, Eight of Pentacles or any kind of pentacle in a reading of finances or career, it's a really brilliant card. You are making money out of your hard work. Finally, I feel like finally you are going to get good results out of your business or you know, collaboration. If you're collaborating with somebody, it's for those who are right now in a business. So yes, you have to do hard work, you have to put in lots of effort and energy, but it will give you rewards, okay Taurus? It will give you rewards, it will give you, okay? You just have to continue doing the hard work. Okay, cool. Let's see, if you are doing job, what will be the energy of Taurus if they are in job, or if they are working for somebody else. Let's see. Ten of Wands. Don't take so much responsibility, responsibilities that you will not be able to handle, okay? Taurus, you are taking so much of responsibilities on your shoulder that you are going to feel like, I am done. I am done. I am under so much pressure. I'm not able to breathe. I'm not able to sleep. I'm not able to do anything. Don't do that, Taurus. Don't overburden yourself. This is your life. You have to, you know, share the responsibilities with somebody who is equally responsible for this thing, okay? You don't have to take all the responsibilities on yourself, on your shoulder, because I feel like you will give up. At certain point of time, you will give up. You will feel like, why am I going to do this? Why only me? So you have to take care of the responsibilities that you are taking, because you will be mentally very stressed, and physically too. I feel like you are going to lose it. You are going to lose it, like you are going to lose your calm, and you will be like, why the hell am I the only person who is responsible here? Why should I do all this thing? So share your responsibilities with somebody who's equally responsible for all these things, okay? Cool. Now let's see about your health. How's your health going to be in September, Taurus? How's your health going to be in September? I'll pull three cards for health. Health. Taurus health. Three of Wands, okay. Four of Pentacles and the Hermit. So first part of September, it's going to be you're waiting for something. Might be you're waiting for some kind of results to come. Might be you did some kind of test regarding your health. We are talking about the health part only here. So you are waiting for the results of the test, or you're waiting for something that you started. Might be you just started taking some kind of you know, fitness regime, or you started just going to the gym or something like that. Might be you're waiting for the date of the surgery, but there is some kind of thing that you're waiting for right now, and you're hoping the results will be positive. And the good news is, yes, more certainly it's going to be positive for you, okay? And in the second part of September, I feel like you're holding too tight. You're holding back a lot of things emotionally. You're holding lots of things in yourself, and you are not able to cope up with the mental stress you are going through right now, okay? So you just have to release it, Taurus. You just have to release the mental stress that you are going through right now. Otherwise you will be mentally disturbed, emotionally disturbed. So you don't have to, you know, feel like you are in some kind of trap and you are not able to control your emotion. You will try to control each and everything in your life. That's not possible at all. And I feel like you will be having leg pain or back pain. So you have to deal with the situation, and the leg pain or back pain is coming out of stress. If you will be able to release the stress, meditate and take some deep breath. Do the Nadi Shodhan Kriya. That's the best thing that you can do. Nadi Shodhan Kriya. Do that. You will release the stress, and it will release the stress, and it will give you relief. Okay, and in the third part of September, this is the Hermit card, spiritual awakening kind of thing. You're going inside of yourself. You are feeling like, what am I doing? What should I do? What should be my next step? How to make my life better? And this is a healing energy as well. If you are a healer, you are going to heal most of the people just by doing nothing, just by being yourself. Okay, I'm a Taurus myself. I can relate to this. Okay, and if you're not a healer, you are going to get some kind of healing through some kind of mentoring, some kind of spiritual awakening, some kind of guru. So this is going to be a really spiritual period for you. The last 10 days of September, this is going to be really good for you, because you will be able to contemplate your life. You will be able to see the clear picture, crystal clear picture of everything that is happening around you or in your life or in your environment. Okay, so this is your health, and for most of you this is wants related. Be careful about the arthritis thing, the bone pain, and stay clear of airborne diseases, and I feel like viruses, allergies, or asthma or something like that. Okay, just be careful about that. Cool. Let's see how your finances looks. How's your finances, Taurus, in September 2021? Let's see. Okay, okay, cool. Relax. God. So these three cards literally jumped out for you guys. Okay. So, okay. My God, you are going through some kind of loss. I just want to reshuffle it, Taurus. I don't feel like this is wise just like that. Okay, universe, please give me three cards for finances for Taurus. How the finances looks like. First part of September, you are going to get some good news regarding your finances, and it is a good news of hard work. So I feel like you did something in the past, recent past, and you're going to get the money, or you are going to get a very, very good news regarding your money. In the first part, might be you invested in the past, now you're getting the returns, or now you're getting the interest or something that's going to make you really feel good about the investment thing. The second part is, oh my God, Ace of Pentacles, beautiful. Some kind of new opportunity is coming towards you. It might be a project, it might be some business collaboration or something like that, but some kind of huge. See, it's not huge. I might say it is the start. It is the start of something. Might be you're going to collaborate with somebody. Might be you're going to get a good job offer if you're in job or something like. It's a very, very good opportunity that is coming towards you. Like from 10th of September till 20th of September, be ready for this opportunity, and you might miss this opportunity, feeling like, no, this is not that much, good, or that much, or it is not good enough for me or something like that. You just have to look out for that. Okay, but there's a huge responsibility and huge opportunity coming towards you regarding your finances. It's going to really make you feel good. Okay, last part, the High Priestess. I feel like you will take a break. I feel like you will take a break from work or everything, and your finances will be the same as it was in the middle part. No progress, no decreasing, no degradation, but yes, they are going to be the same as they were. Okay, so this is the finances sector of your September. Okay, let's move on to the love and relationship part. See, I'll do the reading for love and relationship separately as I used to do. If you're single, let's see how's September going to be for you guys, Taurus. If you're single, let's see. I'll pull one card for you. Knight of Swords, somebody's coming back towards you, rushing towards you. See? Somebody's just coming towards you in a very, very, very rushing energy, because they are feeling like you will run away, or you will might be sleep with somebody else or something like that. This person is very curious, and this person is in very, very stressful phase right now, and they're coming back to you. So if you're single, okay, let's see if you are in a relationship, how's your energy going to be for the relationship sector. Lovers. Okay, sizzling hot chemistry with your partner. Mighty, it's like beautiful sexual energy that you guys are going to feel for each other, and you guys are going to really enjoy each other, right? It's a very beautiful energy. Could be dealing with a Gemini here. Okay, so you are going to enjoy with your partner, and it is like physical and sizzling hot chemistry between you and your partner. Nice, enjoy, Taurus. Okay, but I'll do the detailed reading in the next video for you guys for the love and relationship, as I usually do. Okay, thank you so much, Taurus, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste. Bye bye.